Let's talk baby sleep and daycares. A lot of parents worry that sending their baby to daycare will mess up sleep training. But it's entirely possible to sleep train your baby while still sending them to daycare. If you're about to start sleep training, it's best to do this when you know that your baby is going to be home for at least 72 hours. A long weekend might be an ideal time for this. But if this is not possible, then first focus on nighttime sleep and let go of the daytime naps that they will take at their daycare. Nighttime sleep is the most important and restorative sleep for your baby. So teaching them to fall asleep on their own and connect their sleep cycles in a way that they begin to sleep longer stretches during the night or sleep through the night will help improve daytime sleep as well. Some challenges that you might face when sleep training your baby while sending them to daycare are: number one, the daycare follows a different sleep schedule than the one that you follow at home. Daycares often have their own fixed schedules and may not be able to modify the sleep schedule for your baby. If that's the case, let go of the daytime schedule and allow your baby to nap according to the daycare schedule. You can continue to follow your own sleep schedule on the weekends or whenever your baby is at home. Number two, your daycare sleep schedule is requiring your baby to drop a nap. This can cause your baby to become overtired, which can result in trouble falling asleep at bedtime, multiple wakings through the night, or early morning wake-ups. One solution for this can be advancing your baby's bedtime. Putting your baby to bed earlier depending on when their last nap ended and their age-appropriate wake interval can be helpful. Another solution is, depending on when you pick your baby up from daycare, offering them a cat nap such that it tides them over until bedtime might help. It's important, however, that the cat nap is not too late in the day so that they're tired enough to go to sleep when it's bedtime. And number three, your daycare doesn't use a white noise machine or blackout blinds or a swaddle. Daycares often don't use swaddles or complete darkness for safety reasons. If your baby is having trouble sleeping during the day at their daycare, you can offer to send in a sleep sack or their favorite stuffy, which can help comfort them during naps. You can continue using your blackout blinds or your white noise at home to create an ideal sleep environment. The one thing that you do need to make sure is that your baby's care provider is not assisting them in falling asleep either by rocking them or feeding them or something else. As long as your baby is allowed to fall asleep on their own, they will continue to sleep well. It might take slightly longer to sleep train your baby while they go to daycare, but staying consistent, following age-appropriate wake intervals, and sticking to the same bedtime routine will help your baby get there sooner.